how to make Italian Brainrot characters. So basically, all you have to do is to use any AI that is currently or somewhat like ChatGPT maybe, or even Gemini, or any reliable or uh, based on your preference to whatever that you wanted to use. But on this example video, I'm gonna be trying to use ChatGPT. So on ChatGPT, this is gonna be the sample Italian brainrot character that I have made. So this is just a general brainrot character. So using ChatGPT, you just have to be specific on what you will be expecting so that it will also reach out or hit the specific picture which ChatGPT is generating you for you to be able to meet your expectations. So to use this, all I have to do is just simply typing in generate a photo of any of your reference with accessories in it, and you can also add a specific background where you would like this photo to be displayed on. That's it. That's how you make an Italian brain rot characters.